In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a lantern in Fisch inside Roblox. So the first thing I wanted to tell you is that once you are on the starting island, this is the island you need to be at, okay? If you want to get it, this is the only way. So this is the Moosewood Island, okay? Now, the way you get this is by going up this ladder over here, just upside of the spawn area, and then you want to walk up to this lighthouse over here at the other end of this island. Now, over here, you're going to look for an NPC, which is called Lantern Keeper. Now, it's usually right beside this lighthouse over here. It spawns at different places, but you should be able to see him because he has kind of a halo above his head, and he's just basically an NPC character inside the game. What's also important to know is that he speaks very, very odd, as if he was an otherworldly entity, not from here, okay? He sells players lanterns that serve as light source and cosmetic. Now, what you also have to know is that it can be found easily at night, but I don't think it spawns at daytime. So right now, we won't be able to find him. However, when it's nighttime, just walk around here and you will definitely be able to find him. You can't miss him. Now, once you talk to him, he sells lanterns, as I said, and those lanterns are sold for 1,000 of these cash credits inside the game, so 1,000 of these money coins over here, the tokens. And once you buy one, you also have a very slim 1 of 50 chance to get a fairy lantern. And what the lanterns do, basically, the lanterns just light up the area around you a little bit, which makes exploring some different areas where there's very little light or some darker areas much, much easier. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.